So, super, super, super late review. Just like today lang, natapos ko yung 5 episodes ng Avenues of the Diamond, University Series number 4. So far, out of all the books, ito yung favorite ko. So, I was really excited, but I watched it with no expectation para hindi masyadong masakit. As you know, may mga 50-50 na reaction, especially nung time na ni-release na ng Viva kung sino si Clyden. Because to be honest as well, yung sa akin is, I have a different, imagination kung sino si Clyden. But guys, you know what? Viva did a good job, actually. So, yung mga early moments ng first episode, 50-50 pa. But when I finished episode 2, sabi ko talaga na, my gosh, may chemistry sila. And they're so bagay. So going back, nawala talaga lahat ng disappointments ko because they really did a good job, especially si Aubrey and of course Lance. And for me as one of the non-believers way back February, Lance did really a good job. May mga times lang talaga na distract ako sa lips niya, ganun. But after episode 3, episode 4, di ko na siya nagpapansin, guys. Kita ko na talaga sa kanila si Clyden, of course, si Aubrey, si Sam, as always. At season 1 pa lang, go na go ako kay Aubrey. Very talented girl. So now, I'm so bitten. Episode 5, and my gosh, next Friday pa, 12 midnight pa. My gosh, Viva, bakit ganyan? So I started reading the book. I need to remember the story because totally I forgot about it. It's been years na may never remember pa naman ako, but yung mga main nangyari sa story, but yung entirety talaga, yung chapter per chapter, I need to review it. So, let's start with the prologue. So, nakita pa pala na gaano ka-glamorous yung life ni Sam, and then she went back here in the Philippines, she spent time with Abby, and then they went to the hospital, and then there she met Clyden again. And then, so far yun yung prologue, and the special series for me, kasi ito yung pinaka-favorite book ko out of all the books. Yeah, I'm excited. Maganda yung songs, nakaka-LSS yung mga kanta nila. Oh my gosh! So yun,